So L for layers, and you can go down here. So you can see that that layer is actually off in this view, okay? So this could be, for example, for a site plan, or you have a plan with furniture and you want to show a plan without the furniture, or there's so many different use cases, or you have 2 or 3 different variations of a certain design and you want to show them to a client, and you can layer them differently. So say design option 1, 2, and 3. Okay, got that. So we know the difference between project map and view map. So always work in your view map. So I want to bring my other views here as well over. So I'll right click there, save current view, create. I'll untick this, create, roof, save current view. Okay, so I've got my ground floor without internal walls, first floor, and roof. Okay, so I want to draw something on my first floor now. However, I don't know where my ground floor is. The easiest way to get an X-ray view of the floor below is to right-click. So I've double-clicked on my first floor, right-click on the floor below, and say show as trace reference. So say that pops up. And what you can do then is click on the wall, and let's say it's actually got the same outline. So we'll draw from left to right, okay? Always draw from left to right. That's how you can get your outside face facing the right direction. And it's actually, the way we know it's intersecting is when the pen turns black.